today I'm going to show you how to make your own fertiliser from nettles. Yes, lovely nettles. Now I've collected a bucket from them here, just from the woodland, which is not far away, with gloves because you know they are quite prickly and a little bit vicious, but it's really super straightforward. So I filled my bucket with them, well it's about 2/3 full. I'm going to chop them up or bruise them. You can use anything you like to do this. I've got some Hedge shears and I'm just going to put them in and chop them up. Okay, and you can see now that they're much smaller and that just kind of helps the process along if you like. Now you could use Cumfrey to do this or Borage and those both grow really well on allotments. Now the beauty of those two plants are, especially the Borage, is it's got a really long taproot and it grows really far down and it takes all the nutrients up from around the rootstock and puts them into the leaves. So then when you take the leaves from it and chop them up like this, it's full of really good stuff. But I couldn't get hold of either of those today, so I'm using nettles, and nettles work perfectly well. And you see them all over the place. Now the next thing to do is to fill it with water to just above where the nettles are in the pot. Okay. Now I'm going to put a cover on it and put it somewhere out of the way because it does get rather stinky. I mean really stinky. And it needs leaving like this for about 6 weeks. I'd go in every now and again with a peg on your nose and give it a bit of a stir around, see how it's coming on. But it's quite a potent brew. So stick it somewhere out of the way where you can forget about it for 6 weeks. The longer the better. It will just become more concentrated and stronger the more you leave it. But 6 weeks it will be good to go and ready to use. And then all you need to do is strain the leaves out of it, so you've got a really concentrated dark green liquid which is left, and then you dilute that liquid to 1 part fertiliser to 10 parts water, and it's brilliant for things that need a high nitrogen feed content. So anything that has lots of foliage, evergreen things, any of your shrubs in the garden or any herbaceous perennials, anything that has lots of healthy green leaves will love this high nitrogen feed. It's wonderful, wonderful stuff. And like I say, it's quite potent, so 1 part fertiliser to 10 parts water. And it really is as simple as that. You can use nettles, Cumfrey or Borage. They're all brilliant, all free and all dead easy. If you've got any more ideas for videos that you would like to see on the Love Gardening website, do get in touch with our media team. Otherwise, check out the website for more content.